Alright, so if we think back to our first LLC lesson, we'll know that LLCs and humans are two separate things. So, just like regular humans, LLCs need a special number so the IRS knows who it's dealing with. For humans, this is usually a social security number or an individual taxpayer identification number, or an ITIN. For LLCs and businesses, that is called an EIN, or an employer identification number. That's basically all an EIN is. It's just a social security number for your business. Once you get one, you can open business bank accounts, issue payroll, pay contractors, and all that wonderful fun stuff. The most important part, though, is that when you get an EIN, you unlock the full tax playbook that regular humans just don't have access to. I'm talking business write-offs, special business credits, Section 179 depreciation, bonus depreciation, and a million other things that we humans just can't use. We'll get to all of that down the line, but for now, it all starts with getting an EIN. So in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to get an EIN for free in 10 minutes or less. See you then.